check it out, guys. Making a smoothie right now. So got a sour orange right here, half, and then got some cucumbers. So it's a half a cucumber, and then got some ginger. So ginger right here, more ginger. Already cut it up. So what, 3 pieces of ginger in there. And then right now I'm just gonna go ahead and chop this coconut. I already set it up, so I'm just gonna chop this off, because I'm using the water from the coconut to blend everything up. So see, it's ready. Just take this off, take the head off. Try not to waste it. So you can see here, so if you eat this jelly here, this one is not soft, so I won't be saving this because it's not soft. It's too hard, so I won't eat it. But the water, I'll use the water. So now, just pour this in. This here is athletic greens. It's a powder of like all the vegetables and fruits in powder form. So packet of that in there. Then also I'm adding some, see this is hemp seeds, so marijuana seeds. They are out of the shell. Like to put a little of that in the smoothie. Oh man, this is smelling marvelous. Man, this is smelling real good, guys. And then I'm adding also some vitamin D. So this is a vitamin D. Here, just 2 drops and it's good to go. And you get vitamin D for the day. So here we go. 1 and 2. Perfect, guys. There it is, perfect. So what I do with these, with my ginger is let's rinse this off real quick. Quick smoothie, quick cleanup. Quick, good to go. So what I like to do is with my ginger, so it doesn't spoil, because if you leave it in the fridge just like with it like having it being whole, it's gonna dry out and it's just gonna rot. But with this, and I put them in distilled water, it preserves them. I've had it in the fridge for a month, more than a month, and they're still good. So this is a way, even your vegetables, so they won't spoil. Just put them in, do it like this, and put them in distilled water. Just cut them up and then put them in distilled water. So cut them up like you're gonna be ready to use them, and put them in distilled water, and that'll take care of that. You could have them for a longer time. So now let's get this all cleaned up, all wiped up. Just dry it up. When you guys try this one, let me know how it come out, how it tastes, because this one is really nice. With that coconut water and that sour orange, because that orange is sour, makes it, man, it just makes it tangy. and just a little bit of agave syrup. It's perfect. You taste all the flavors. You taste the ginger. You taste all the flavors of it. When you drink it, it kind of wakes you up. It kind of shock you up. It will shock you and wake you up a little. Because it's electric, you know what I mean? So here we go again. Cheers, guys. I don't want to stop drinking it, man. It's really, really nice. Really, really nice. So there it is, a quick smoothie.
Made it, oh made it, made